Okay, good afternoon, everybody. This now Emir Palace for inside Mina, Niger State, as well as the sea. Plenty people will wanna see here now. There are people where we say they run come off from their villages because of a bandit attack. We happened to some of their community yesterday. Plenty of them they don't complain, say they don't know what thing they go do again. They don't get where they go put their head because those bandits don't pursue. All of them come off, don't destroy their food, don't destroy their farm product and even their houses. And are the reason why they got to run, come back to the Emir Palace with the inside Mina for their rescue. And as now they see this now, plenty people. Yes, so we run, come off for their community. This is Shiroro local government and many other local government where they under this Emirate Council. This are the people, the situation, they're very, 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 very sad and sympathetic. As you are seeing now, these are poor people. We don't get anything. See, up to now, they never know where to put their head and why they run, come to Emir Palace to come have a place. As I just talk to most of the for leaders from inside the Emir Palace, they say they no go talk, they don't get anything to talk now because the Emir don't they do in best to see say he find the first thing where the Emir want to do is to find a better place for these people where they go first of all put their head for now. Because as you can see, possibly now here all of them go sleep. People say the Emir say they don't want make that thing happen. It don't already happen. So the best thing now is for them. You can see how these are displaced people from their villages will run, enter the Emir Palace we dey for inside Mina, the capital city of Niger State. And as it be like this, these people for now, they are homeless according to them. They don't get anywhere where they go. They don't get anything where they go eat. They don't get anywhere they go put their head. And now why they run, come for the rescue of their life and their children. These are people where bandits been attacked for their villages. Anybody where they watch now, I hope so when they see them. Plenty people, some of them they outside, some people they here. And as they follow when I talk now, very soon I will begin to give them chance where they follow me talk, make me know waiting and waiting. How it take happen, how they take a run and enter this place all the way for their villages. And at the same time, if you watch, I beg, pray for these people. These people, they're very, 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 very serious problem. People for their home, they don't get anything where they want to. They don't get where they go put their head. Now they run around, according to them. Now I would like me to go see some of their youth leaders. We've been lead them enter inside the palace for the rescue. Maybe for come tell us how it take happen and waiting with the way forward. And as I hear before, I try make I get the voice from the Emirate people, and they say the Emir himself, they very, very worried on top of the situation what happen now. So just call him for me. Hello, sir. Hi. Very, very unfortunate. Just when you interview the but let me have their words. Yes, sir. I come again on that. Okay, good afternoon, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is your name, sir?
My name is Sunday Birthday from
Sunday Birthday.
From Dandaudu.
From where?
From Dandaudu.
From Dandaudu. Okay, Sunday Birthday. Today we see now for this place where we say all of us no say no be for happiness, now for sadness. What will be the reason why we are here?
The reason why we have bandits in our local government.
For which local government?
Moya local government.
Moya local government.
Which made us to be here. And our people have never been here before. But this is the first time of we being here. So, and it has been a surprise for we that we are living in Mina here, because this is our people, and it is from these people. Maybe when we went to home, we meet them. So it has been a surprise when they are here, and that's why we came to visit them be with them here so that they can feel happy also.
Okay, so far since una don come this place, wetin be the step wey una don dey take to see these people get wetin they want for now?
So we are just pleading and apologizing to the government, to the Niger State government, to help us with security so that we can go back to our places with peace, so that they can also help us, follow us there, so that they can secure us also.
Okay. You fit get me any youth from that place where follow these people come so that we can follow them talk?
Yeah, we have them.
Get me somebody who come. Are you from that place, sir?
Yes.
Okay, you also came since yesterday?
Yes, sir.
All right, sir. What's be your name, sir?
My name is Bulus Bosu.
Bulus.
Yes, sir.
From where, sir?
Muya, under Kuchi.
From where?
Yes,
Local
Kuchi
government.
what?
Okay. What's happened when I did here this evening, sir?
Actually, most of us staying in this place, we are homeless because our home have been taken over or occupied by bandits. And we just feel our home now, we cannot even pick even a particular thing from our house. We don't have food to eat, we don't have water to, even clothing. As you see me over a week now, this is the cloth I'm using. Over a week now. My cloth and everything are there in Kuchi. I have nowhere to go, and majority of us here have nowhere to go. The best place for us is to come to the Emir Palace because we are homeless. Where do we get home and where do we get food? And that is why we are. Some of them are still in the bush that they don't even have money to even transport themselves to this kind of place. So many are still there in the bush.
Okay, now people waiting here now. How wanna take transport on ourselves from this place?
Actually, some of us have to pack some of our goods in some areas that we have. Some of our small animals we have to sell them, bring them to some of the markets before our totality, those armed bandits totality occupied our area. So some of us, with the little money we have, with our brothers in the township, they support us with some transport so that we come out from that bandit area.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir. Boss, can you talk to us, please? What's your name, sir?
My name is Mr. Hassan Galadino.
Okay, from where?
I'm from Muya Buni Ward.
Okay, Mr. Hassan, today we gather for this place and we say no be for happiness. If you tell us what's in the happen.
Actually, well, me, I'm living in Itansha, but there are people in my locality. They are here because of they don't have anywhere to go because of armed bandits. Since it's over one let me say a month now, and every day armed bandits keep on stopping us from our locality, and we don't have anywhere to go. We didn't hear anything like security people, so there is nowhere to go. So they have to run away to come to Emir Palace, because when they pursue a child, you look for a father. He's only our father. Since government did not take any action, we have to come to him, so that if there is any assist to assist us, because we don't have anywhere to sleep.
No say as una come here now based on the belief we wanna get for the Emir, His Royal Highness, and I believe we wanna get for that and why una come this way. So far una won't get communication with the Emir people.
Yes, he did not come out himself, but he has delegated people. And they even give some of them water to drink. And right now, some of the delegates, they have came out and addressed us that we should exercise patience. That they are going to look for food for us, even where to sleep.
Special grace of God will come to the end of this.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. So, when I don't hear from some of the youths from from the different villages we waka come here based on the rescue of their life. And as soon as they watch continuously, we will keep with these people really day now. Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, sir.
Can you introduce yourself to us, sir?
My name is Hussein Musa. I am the Commandant Vigilante Corps of Chanchaga Local Government.
Okay, Commander Vigilante, today you receive visitors from another place into your own headquarters based on security issue. How you want to describe this situation now as a security man?
In fact, it's an unfortunate situation. But this time, we did not expect this crowd by now. Based on insecurity of a thing, our people, they have nowhere to fix themselves. Now they have relocated from their home to Emir Palace. As I'm telling you, thousands of people, they have run away from their villages based on issue of insecurity of the state. The government should come in and interfere with this type, with this issue. We are fed up with the grassroots security. We've been suffering a lot, facing these people, and they are well armed than us. But
you mean the bandits?
The bandits. Okay. But we make our effort based on traditional ground to face them. The soldiers are running away. To talk of police, they are nowhere to be found, and the government they are kept short on this matter. We don't know.
Okay, now what's be the way forward now? As these people they here now, that one means say possibly now here they go sleep, or they don't define where they go to sleep.
They are in the palace.
Okay.
The emir came around to see them, and also the security agencies. All of them they were available. They are available. As I'm telling you, some of them are still here, and even the commissioner of police is aware. As somebody believes, all the politicians in the state, they have been informed, duly informed about these people. The action remains to them now.
Okay.
The action remains.
So possibly we are hoping for a solution very soon. Okay, thank you very much, Commander Vigilante.
I've said my mind.
Okay.
We are speechless now. We are harmless. There's no way we can face these people without arms, without rifle. As I'm telling you, the rifle belongs to government. The Chanchaga local government have not been given to us. We follow all other ways for them to give us, not for our own interest, for the interest of the general public, but they refuse to give us to us. We don't know what goes wrong along the line. But they have seen this now. With the help of that, if they can give us this our rifle, as somebody believes, we make our effort.
Okay. Thank you very much. That now Commandant Vigilante Chanchaga local government here. Make we talk to another head of security, local security inside Mina. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Please, if you tell us your name.
My name is Abdulmumini Aliyu, the State Commandant, ADC Control, Niger State.
Okay, State Commandant, ADC Control, Niger State. Today, we gather for Emir Palace, where we say no be for happiness and no be for smile. That one means say some people, they very, very under attack by the bandits from inside their local government. Now, why they run, enter this place with that? What do you tell us more on top of that issue?
So, it's a very well-known issue. Everybody is aware of what is happening, and why we are here is to dispose ourselves to the authority. Whatever they want us to do, we are going to do it to assist the migrant and the government as well.
Okay, now these people don't stay here now. We don't know whether they will come on here now or they will come on here today or tomorrow. When I don't get any information based on how these people will find themselves.
Going by what we are seeing now, it seems they are not going to leave this place now or very soon. Okay. And we are on our own level. We have prepared to come and give them security, at least from now to the time they are going to leave. But we are praying that government will do something that will make them leave very soon.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. This is another head of local securities again, where they put them effort to see that bring peace and comfort inside our town. What will be your name, sir?
I'm the commander of Chinaka School Niger State Command.
Okay. Today, see us for inside Emir Palace. What do you tell us about the gathering of these people? We run come up for the local government to make people say village to Mina Emirates.
This this is something that people will not take it as something we call it not serious something. We should take it as a serious issue because all these things that I was having part of this outside here is a very serious matter that we can pity them and we will make sure that as far as we come here and see what is exactly going on here, we make sure that we give them our own support to see that they stay in peace here till when the government will do something about it.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, no problem. Make we go here from the people we run come off for the village enter Emir Palace for safety. We could go here waiting their face and how they take reach this place. So, ko za ki gaya mana sunanki? Faɗa mana sunanki. To, yau ga shi dai Allah da ikonsa kun taso daga garinku kun zo nan saboda kuna neman mafita. Me za ki iya gaya mana ya kuka zo nan? Me ya faru kuka zo nan? Barayi. To, suka kore ku a gidajen. To, Allah shi kiyaye. Allah shi kawo sauki a lamarin. Well, this is very, very sympathetic. You can see children everywhere, adults, women, men. Yes, so then they display, run away from their village just to save their life. According to what they tell us, we say most of their life are under threat by bandits. Bandits don't really leave them, and they don't get anywhere to go again. And why all of them got run and come this place with that to come for rescue. Now let's talk to one of women. Yes, we found ourselves here. Inauni. Ko za ki faɗa mana sunanki?
Sunana Anita Joseph.
To yau dai ga kunan a cikin fadan mai martaba sarkin Mina. Yaya kuka yi kuka zo nan? Me ya faru?
To abin da ya faru barayi ne sun hana mana suna ƙauye. Sun hana mana sakewa tun jiya muna fama da gudu mai gani bacci a ƙauye. Duk abin da ya tashi dandau har zuwa zazzagacen gaba ɗaya mu yamma ba zaman lafiya gaba ɗaya. To matsalar mu kenan.
To a kamar wani lokaci suka shigo? Wani lokaci ne suka shigo ƙauyukan ku?
Wuraren abin da ya tashi karfe 7 din na yamma.
7 na yamma. Shine suka shigo ƙauyukan ku. Da suka shigo babu jami'an tsaro da suka zo su taya ku?
Ba kowa ba san kowa ba.
To sun zo wuraren ƙarfe 7 wani lokaci ne suka zo suka fita har kuka samu lokaci?
To sun zo dauke awa dai ka san da abin ya faru haka kowa ya gudu suka shiga daji. So ban san kowane lokaci ba da amma mun ta jin halga da bindiga.
Suna ta alibi. To yanzu haka yawanci dukkan ku da kuke nan ƙauye guda ɗaya ne ko ƙauyuka da dama?
Ƙauyuka da dama na ce muka cika mu ya dai ba zaman lafiya gaskiya.
Wani local government?
Munya
local government.
To ka gaba ɗaya ba zaman lafiya.
Amma yanzu kun tabbatar cewa dukkan ku kuke nan ko akwai wasu can har yanzu da suka rage cikin daji ko?
Ana kan zuwa ne.
Ana kan zuwa ne. To yanzu me kiran ki?
To matsala na shine ina son gwamnati ya taimake mu da 'yan wadda za su taimaka mana maganin wannan al'amarin ya lafiya mun samu zaman lafiya a gidaje saboda duka yara ƙanana kowa suna ta fama ne kuma ana ta fama ba wai akwai abinci bane a gari ba sai dai kowa na so ya gani kawai ya rufa ma kan asiri.
To mun gode. Zaki haɗa mu da wasu so far, what she talks, she said those bandits been entered their villages yesterday around 7 p.m. and they spent more than 1 hour inside their village, begin to do shooting. All of them begin run for help, run for their life. And at that time when they begin, at the time when they begin to do shooting, no any security according to her, so no any security come to their rescue. Now when those people don't run, go finish. After they don't do their destruction finish, at the time we there can't get chance to run, enter bush, some of them found themselves for this place. And according to her, up to now, plenty of them see the inside bush. Some of them see the inside the village. They find their way to come back to this very place because they believe say that this is the only place with them feel they safe for now. Niger like Nigeria, this is the situation we find ourselves today. And as the works are better, keep praying for these people and any other places where they under attack of these bad people that don't want these poor people to live or to even drink water, drop cup. As you see children with their mothers. These are the slave people. Now this is the Emir Palace where all of them run come for rescue. But as it be like this, you see they find way to see say we follow the Emir people talk, not for year waiting be the plan. How far they won't leave these people for this place. But according to waiting one of them tell us say the Emir don't they do in effort to see say we find things for them where at least they will put their head for now till the time where they will find solution to this thing. But as it be, these people, I'm not sure say they will go back home now because now their loads, leftover food where remain for them. Waiting them doors, you can see these are children. Next one, eh? Kai wani shekara nawa? Shekaru ka nawa? Eh? Shekara 10. Kai ma kana cikin mutanen da suka gudo yau zuwa nan wurin? To ya aka yi jiya wani me faru ne? Eh? Kun gudu. Kai na makaranta? To yanzu ka ji kiwon makaranta kenan. Yanzu me kake so gwamnati yayi? Gwamnati ta mace. Kai fa me sunanka? Hamisu. Kai ma kana cikin wanda suka yi guduwa kenan. To an ce jiya ne mutanen da suka shigo kauyen ku. Ya zaka iya ga mana me faru? Ba za ka iya ba saboda kawai dai ka daga kanka nan kai ma kana cikin wanda suka guduwa kenan. Kai fa me sunanki? Sunanki ba? Mai ruwa. To me ya faru kuka zo nan yau? Daga ƙauyen ku. Wani lokaci mutanen nan suka shigo ƙauyen ku?
Misalin karfe
6 na yamma. To da suka zo me suke ta cewa ba suke ta yi?
Sun fata shagogin waya, sun kwashi waya sannan suka hanci mashina.
To yanzu me kike son gwamnati ta muku?
Ina son gwamnati ta yi mana taimako ta rufa mana asiri ta mai da mu mazaunin.
So thank you very much. Yes, these are children where they also cry for help. Say make government. All of them, like one of them tell me, say in the miss school because he's just 10 years old. It's missing school. As you can see, these are the people. These are the displaced people from Muya local government. We run, look for rescue of their life and their property. Although some of them, most of their property don't be destroyed. According to what the other girl tell me, say as they come, they begin to break their shops, begin to pack things like phones and other things and food. Plenty of them begin run and why they found themselves at this place. This is Mina Emirates, where displaced people, where bandits be worry and run come for their rescue. That's all to them. They don't take what these people they worry them and they don't get where they will go again. So the only last bus stop na him the Emir Palace and and why they do for Emir Palace like we believe. But thank God the Emir with the heart of the fathership when he be, and with the heart of the man when he be, with the great wisdom we God give him, he accommodate this people. So may they be here now, they will definitely find solution to this problem. So at the same time, as you watch, I beg prayer for these people. Prayer for these people. You can see children, women display because of some bad belly people. We don't want to make these people. I know we don't want to make these people pay, or we don't want to make these people leave. Light Nigeria. The situation you don't pass everything with the team. The situation you don't pass everything with the book. The situation you don't pass everything with the imagine. These are people who no fit sleep for their house. These are people who no fit live for their own village. These are people who no fit stay for their own town just because of bandits and other bad belly people. We no one make these people put their head for ground. We don't know their reason. We don't know why they do that, but we believe say one day God Almighty will intervene into the issue. And according to the explanation which some of them do, they say those people spend over many hours inside their villages. No any security man show face. That one may say securities they don't come that side until they run come out. But we believe say Niger State security talking about the soldiers, the police, we believe say now anywhere where they don't find solution to this issue with the ability and with the experience where they get, especially police and army and other securities where they for inside the state. Now we believe say they know sit down look and they know sit down talk. They don't need there to find how these people will get their freedom back, because they're staying for this place no be waiting supposed. This na Emir Palace and all of them no fit sit down here or no fit sleep here. But at the end of the day, if you look at them, you better say where they go even be here. You do worry for that side. But at the same time, if these people put their head for where they go sleep, just like the way you put your head for where you sleep, it goes sweet for them. But a condition, bring them from this place. By the future grace of God Almighty, we look for a solution to these people. Children, they here. Children, some of them never reach 1 year, some of them never reach 2 years. As you can see them. I wonder how. So these are the children of the people. Yeah. We run come on for Muyan local government. Plenty villages under Muyan local government and this thing happened yesterday night according to the report. We come and these people, they are village people. Sanunku. Me sunanka. Me sunanka. Eh? Rabi. Daga ina kai ka zo? Gwada. Me ya faru kuka zo nan? Eh? Baji ba? So, kun gudu ne kenan kuka zo nan? So, wani lokaci kuka zo nan? Wani lokaci kuka zo nan? Yanzu me kake so gwamnati ya muku? Baka jin Hausa sosai ko? Wani yare kake ji sosai, gwari? To ka bin gwari. Eh? Baka samu da aka faɗi ba. Okay, that's okay. Hey, pa kana jin Hausa? Baka jin Hausa kai ma. Sanusa. To ko za ku yi magana ne kuma?
Abun gaskiya.
Me sunanka tukuna?
Sunana Sunday.
Sunday daga ina?
Daga Turbaku.
Na Muyan local government. Kai ma kana cikin wanda suka gudu samu mafita ma rayuwanku kenan. Ko za ka gaya mana me faru?
Gaskiya ana kashe-kashe a wurarenmu. Gaskiya kuma suna zuwa suna fasa mana shaguna. suna kone mana abincinmu da muka shirya a cikin rumbu. Gaskiya abin ba sauki. Kullum muna cikin daji, ba sa bari mu huta, gudu muke yi mu shiga daji. Gaskiya shi yasa muka ce gaskiya za mu tattara kanmu mu zo nan.
An ce mun ji an ce cewa sun zo jiya, wani lokaci suka shigo ƙauyen kanku jiya?
Gaskiya sun shigo wajajen 6 o'clock
na yamma. Awa nawa suka yi a cikin ƙauyukan ku?
Kai da safe ne ma suka koma.
Da safe suka koma.
Da safe ne.
To da suka zo ku ina kuka shiga?
Gaskiya muna daji ne. Da yara da manya da tsofaffin ne wanda suka iya gudu muna daji. Don in suka iske ka gaskiya ba sauki. Ba sauki.
To yanzu
gaskiya ya kamata a ɗauki mataki.
To yanzu ga kuna a fada mai martaba sarkin Mina. Wani kuka ne kuka kawo mai?
Gaskiya mun kawo kuka ne mu samu zaman lafiya. Mu koma gidajenmu yanzu nan ba za su bar mu ba mu yi noma ba in ba ɗauki action ba. Kuma yunwa zai kashe yaranmu da family namu gaba daya. Doya already an shuka doya da yanzu ba mu a gida balle ma an sun kore mu duka. Gaskiya abincin suna nan a can.
To za ka gaya mana sunanka? Paul daga wani gari? A wani local government? To yau dai Mr. Paul ga munan a fada mai martaba is not for happiness. This is for sadness. Can you tell us what really happened?
Zuwa mu a wurin da ma kama na rena wurin nan da ya kamata ma a je gomi a wasu tunda akwai kansila din mu har na kira shi ya ce wannan abin da yake faruwa me yasa ku ba ku doke action ba. Kansila ya ce mu wai bai da lokaci wannan in za mu doke action na ce ta ya za mu doke action.
Shi ji kansilan ku me sunan kansilan ku? Isaiah ya ce shi bai da wannan lokacin.
Bai da lokaci ya kashe waya. Ni kuma kansila na kira kuma kansila Usman shi ya ce mu abin da za a yi in za mu je gome house mu rubuta leta mu kai ma bidiyo namu daga nan a tura za mu zo gome house. To ni kuma lokacin kuma na ji daɗin maganar shi amma kansila ɗinmu maganar da ya yi min ni ban ji daɗi ba. Shi yasa na ce ni duk maganar da zai yi na kamar na rena wurin nan ne da ya kamata mu je.
Baka rena ba saboda shi mai martaba sarkin Mina sarki ne na kowa. Sarki ne wanda ya tsaya ma kowane talakawa da suke karkashin shi har da ma state ɗin gaba daya. Kuma shi yasa kuka kawo kanku nan saboda kun ga cewa nan ne za ku samu masauki abin da kuke nema.
Abin da ya sa na ce haka ba. Ka san ko sarkin Mina sai ya kira gwamna ko?
Dole.
Kafin ya yi magana. Zai ce to ga mutanen ya za a yi da su. Amma da mun je wurin da ai wurin da suke kwance wurin da za mu kai kayan mu.
A can cikin gwamnati house kenan.
Yawwa mu zauna wurin. Kuma waɗanne a yi tawon ta kare. Yanzu barayin kuma ga su suna amfani da jirgin sama suna zuwa. Jirgin sama na wucewa za ka gan barayi su shigo.
A can wurin a'a ba za a yi zagi ba za a zagi.
Ana zagi mu.
To me su wa suke zagin ku?
Waye na mutanen nan.
To me kai me matsayinka?
Matsayina ni sakatare na APC na unit.
Okay.
A Kurwa.
To yanzu tun da kuka zo nan wani assurance ne kuka samu cewa ga inda za ku yi a nan tun da dai Allah ya sa kai ma kana cikin gwamnatin sai ka mana bayani.
Dama mun so a yi taimako ko za a samu wanda za su spirit su dan abin ga mu samu zaman lafiya mu koma mu je mu nema abin da za mu ci.
To insha Allah Allah zai kawo mana masauki.
Amin.
Insha Allah ba za ku daidai nan ba za ku koma. Insha Allah ba za ku daidai nan ba za ku koma gidajen ku.
Mun gode.
Sannunku me sunanki? zo ki mun gwaranci ku dinga mata magana da gwaranci to waze cikin kuwa zai mana gwari so that akwai wasu da suke kallon mu yanzu su ma su ji kuma ba kwa jin gwarin ne eh
ho bo kwa be yi ayin dinga na wala life iba ba ta ku na yi kasi ayi do ko tu ayi ya ba na la su ko iba ko ti je wala ku yu eyin ayi ide ju ko da la ya na yi ko ti ayi iba da
so yanzu na son ka faɗa mana da gwari lokacin da suka shigo wurin ku abubuwan da suka yi ya kuka hudo nan
to ajelo dinga na ba hin yi kwasi din da yake anya bayan kala shi bara kuma idani ku so dan ode da dinga ba na hin yi ku so da kuma ba nya yi na ma shi aye ayi da na ya fitile ma to nan kai da kwasu e ka ba shi aba wa ogira da ba na pa yi be ma yan yi ko ku ku ba na fi da yi ko shi da ba le kan ka bai ma ya shi ya tubara shi da kuma ko ba ya shi ya kwana da safe ba ya shi a ku yo ku shi da ba na pa yi ba ya ina yi ya ni so yi so ma lafiya
to yanzu ina saka ga mana a gwaranci ko ina son kuma sarkin Mina mai martaba kuma godiya game da nan wurin da kuka zo kuka aje kanku da kuma me kuke so da gwamnati daga yanzu ta muku
to abuwa ne je ben goya wa mai shi ya yi la ce zile yayi kawai ya yi la ce zile ya kuwa abba ya ba sai ma lafiya kawai di damuwa ne ka ye she ifi ba shi me ile jile ba mi abba ni ile jile ki ta se de fa abba na ko ibe ina makana na.
Okay, thank you very much. All right, you all heard the explanation he made there with Gbagi tongue. For those of you who really understand Gbagi, and I believe he has passed his message, the reason why they are here, and way forward, especially how they really want to live in peace in their own community.
We are just learning by your we are just talking about where they stay for the matter. Which are big
Okay, are you okay? You are a security here, or you are a member?
I'm part of the National Orientation Agency.
Okay, so okay, is the DG is he around here now?
Our DG, the DG is not around here.
Who is representing?
The state commandant is inside. Yes.
Okay, let me go and see them. Okay. All right, live from Mina Emirates. This is the Emir Palace of His Royal Highness, the Emir of Mina, Alhaji Umar Bahago. Where some villagers and they be run for their life to avoid the attack of a bandit. We entered the community yesterday night, and as you can see, plenty people. More than 500, plenty of them, and according to them, some of them see the road they come, and by the special grace of God, these people they will find place for them where they will take sleep because they no fit sleep for outside yet. But the Emirates and the state government they will do their possible best, especially the Mina Emirates, and he will do the possible best as the father where him be to say he find where these people will lay their head today and even possibly tomorrow until they find solution to the issue where they are now. This is a very, very sad. This is a very sad development which we pray something like this should not happen in future. And we are calling, according to the people, and they say they are calling on the government to please come to their rescue. Government should please come to their rescue. Their children, see children, they won't go to school. Some of them don't miss school already. According to what some of them they tell us that they are missing school. They want to go back to school. Some parents say they are children. They never even see them, and the children say they are parents. Some of their parents, they don't see them. Everybody don't find a way. Everybody don't pianti enter inside bush to look for safety of him or her life. You talk